Another available function is the fibers function. The fibers function creates parallel, uniform fibers that look like this. There are 3 materials to select. One for the core, one for the coating, the shell around this core, and one for the background. Each of them can be a custom material saved from the digital material function. There are 3 parameters to control. One is the radius of the core, the second is the thickness of the coating, and the third is the distance between 2 fiber centers. The rule is that the distance must be at least twice the sum of the coating and the core. The fibers can be set to be farther from each other, make the overall radius significantly larger, or adjust the protective coating instead. Noise modulation in this function only works on the first 2. The distance will remain the same in each step. So, for example, the fibers can be set to meet at one end. We should ensure it doesn't become overly large, so the rule will remain unchanged. Fibers run along the model's long axis, though this setting can be adjusted. If we go back to GrabCAD and select a preset that controls the long axis, like the femur preset, the long bone, then we can use the axis and length function to change the long axis of the model. Let's return to the DAC. Now the fibers run from one side to the other, instead of following the actual long axis of the model.